Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Figma AI for website design. Figma AI integrates powerful artificial intelligence directly into your design process, making it easier to create stunning websites. This innovative tool helps automate many time-consuming tasks, allowing you to focus more on creativity and less on manual adjustments. You can expect to significantly speed up your design iterations and achieve professional results with greater ease. Let's dive into how to get started. To begin using AI in Figma, first open your Figma file and navigate to the Plugins menu. From there, select Browse Plugins in Community to access the extensive marketplace. You will find various AI-powered tools by searching for terms like AI design or website generator. Install a suitable plugin, such as Magician or AI Assistant, to integrate its capabilities directly into your workspace. This simple step unlocks a new dimension of design possibilities. Once your AI plugin is active, you can start generating designs with remarkable speed. Simply provide a text prompt describing your desired website, like a modern e-commerce landing page for clothing. The AI will then generate initial layouts and wireframes for you to review. You can also use AI to refine specific elements, suggesting color palettes, font pairings, or even optimizing image placements. This iterative process allows for rapid prototyping and exploration of many design variations. To truly maximize the benefits of Figma AI, remember to use it as a powerful assistant, not a complete replacement. Start with AI-generated concepts, then apply your unique creative vision and manual adjustments to perfect the design. Always provide clear and detailed prompts to the AI. For example, specify a minimalist blog layout with 3 columns rather than just blog. This collaboration between human creativity and artificial intelligence will elevate your website designs to new heights.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.